We are in Hong Kong's West Kowloon station and we're taking a little train, 15 minutes to Shenzhen, China. Let's go. Okay, so the train ticket we booked on trip.com, $9.38, not bad. But use your passport to scan in and then we've got to clear security. So let's do it. Oh, we cleared security. It's like airport security, but you don't have to take your laptop out or anything like that. But everything has to run through the scanner and the X-ray. All right, well, we're going upstairs. Oh, look at this virtual customs agent. Oh. That's funny. I don't understand, but it's funny. Yeah, very strict about moving alcohol and cigarettes. Yeah, looks just like an airport, doesn't it? Okay, now we have China customs. Yeah, the prices in this duty free are crazy. Look at this, over $20 for some dairy milk. Ouch. Bring food before you come. And Chinese customs took literally 1 hour and they were 1 minute late. But I have no idea how to even get on this damn train. It's just, it's like a prison with so many rules. People shouting at you for doing the littlest thing. It feels like a prison. Oh boy. Hey, let's try and figure out what to do now. Well, yeah, looks like we missed our train. I guess 2 hours notice isn't enough time. I thought 2 hours would be great, but I guess not. Well, what to do now? Maybe we have to buy another ticket. Oh boy. Okay, well, we have new tickets. I think pro tip, clear all of the security and then book your ticket on trip.com. They sell it till the very last minute. So when you know you've cleared everything, buy the ticket. Pro tip. Alright, now we wait. There's the line for our train. Sardine time again.
We need to know which gate.
Alright, we finally made it to the train. so many rules, so many rules. Okay, here we are. It even has the car numbers, so all the seats are reserved. I'm 7B, so I guess this is us. Ooh. Oh wow. So we got a little luggage stand here, I'll probably use that. Oh, there's the train, look at this. Let's have a little look at the train here. So 04B. Okay, I think that's my seat, the middle one here. Let's have a little look down here. Got little TVs. Now it's only a 15-minute train ride, so it's gonna all be over very quickly. Maybe there's a toilet. Look. Automatic door, huh? Oh wow. Yeah, well that is pretty much it. And here's the toilet. It's like a British train toilet. I remember one time in the UK I was changing my clothes because I was running and I was spending too long changing. The remote lock on these have a timeout, I think 10 minutes or something. Then it just automatically opens. So I was in like my underpants and everyone was just like waiting here because British trains are very busy. People stand up all the time. So I had like an audience and I'm like, close, close, close. And it was just closing so slowly. Yeah, the toilet's not bad. You got paper, napkins, water. What more could you want, right? Well, that was the train. And here we are. More security, more customs. We'll get there soon, I guess. Okay, I think we made it. Our first robotic vacuum cleaner. Welcome to the future. Wow. Well, that was the train journey. We've made it to 7-Eleven. Look at this. Where you can buy cucumber lays, and when you think you're getting a drink, you end up with some soup, which can easily happen to the best of us. And you know it's a soup because there's a spoon in the top. Alright, well, I'll see you in a future video for more Chinese adventures coming very soon. Take care. Oh wow, what a journey. What a journey.